Hey guys, my name is Tana and welcome to an update on the Porsche. I'm now in Mike's place. So Mike partners up with this beautiful fella here, and yeah, so getting my tires for the Porsche. As you can see there, these are the old rims on the Porsche. They were 17-inch. Mike, yeah. Dalam okay. And I've gone for these, the 18-inch. These are of Cayman 718s. Yeah, they are stock, they are original, they look the part. You know what? I am happy. So, what do we have here? We've got 255 35 18s. The back, in the front, we have got 225 40 18s, and the old ones were 17-inch, which are obviously very hard to come by. Conti Sport contact here. Let's go see Mike. So this is where we are on the 225. As you can see the front there, there's a bit of rubbing, so we might want to try a smaller size, but unfortunately they don't make 215s with Pirelli, so we don't know how. We're going to try to put the old tires on this side, lower them, and to see how much close do we have. This is where we are with the Porsche. I've got new tires, but the new rims are just too big or too wide because they don't make clearance, and it's hitting the inner guard when I turn in. The struggle continues. You'll find a way to make it work. The struggle is real, guys. The struggle is real. But you know what? At the end, I've got a manual.